This is the performance summary for week 16 of 2025, which is the week ending on April 17th. Let's begin by inputting the starting and ending balances. Starting balance was on Friday, April 11th. And the ending balance was on April 17th. So I lost just a little bit last week. Lost $74, which is a percentage loss of 0.27%. And the 5 trades we did last week were these. And we have a 10% allocation to each position last week. That's because there is a bear market regime filter that's been triggered. Let's look at these trades one by one. First one was AbbVie, where we lost 2.5%. So we have a buy the dip strategy, and so it picked up on the dip here, got in here on the Monday, and exited here on the close of Thursday because of the short week. And the next one was ConocoPhillips, made a little bit, 43 basis points. This was the trade here. Next one was Chevron, lost. That one was down 0.44% for the week. So we got in here, got out here, small loss. The next one was Merck. Merck was down 2.52% for the week. And this was the trade. And the last one was ExxonMobil. That was up 1.8% for the week. So we bought the dip. We entered here and exited here. Now let's input the ending balance into the cumulative tab. And this is what our equity curve looks like. And the yellow line is the actual P&L in my account since going live in June of 2024. And that encompasses version 1 and version 2. So it's the actual money that was made or lost since then. The gray line is the version 2, which went live earlier this month. And it's kind of like the pro forma of what the P&L would have grown like had version 2 been traded since last June. And let's look at the equity curve over the longer term, back tested. So the annualized rate of return of the strategy is expected at 19%, whereas the S&P is 8% over the long term. And year to date, the strategy would be up 2.4%, whereas the S&P is down 8.2% year to date. And this is what the equity curve looks like, long term, back tested back to 1994. So that's the performance summary for week 16 of 2025. If you want to learn more about the strategy, please visit my website at returnstream.com. Thank you.